Hey, curious minds! Ever wondered what happens when you mix Coke and milk? This simple experiment will blow your mind and teach you a bit of chemistry along the way. Alright, here's what you'll need. A bottle of Coke, a glass, and some milk. Let's get straight to the fun part. Pour yourself a nice tall glass of Coke. Now grab that milk and pour it in. Ready? Watch closely. What you're seeing is pretty wild, right? The milk starts to curdle and separate. But why does this happen? Let's break it down. Coke is acidic, thanks to phosphoric acid. When you mix it with milk, which is packed with proteins like casein, the acid causes these proteins to coagulate or clump together. Essentially, the acid is forcing the proteins to stick together and separate from the liquid. This creates that chunky, cloudy mess you see floating around. Pretty cool, huh? This process is called coagulation, and it's a basic concept in chemistry. It's the same principle behind how cheese is made from milk. Who knew you could learn so much from a simple kitchen experiment? Now I bet you're itching to try this at home. Just remember, it's more for fun than for drinking. And here's a question for you. What crazy experiment should I try next? Drop your ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more